I'm 4'11", and standard desks just don't fit me properly. So in this video, we'll show you how we made this fold-away standing table, custom to me, inspired by Coral's Murphy table video.
The materials we used for the project are listed down in the description.
Starting with the main backing board, we used pocket holes to join the pieces together, making sure to have several across the length and 2 on each side.
We used 1-inch screws to fasten the 1-inch side pieces.
I got a little eager and split the wood. So I just flipped the piece around and screwed onto the other end.
Moving along, we added screws along the length to attach the lip.
To take care of the split we made on the side piece, we just cut off a couple inches with the bandsaw. Problem solved.
We sanded everything to 220 grit. In hindsight, we should have done this after we glued everything up, but here we are.
We assembled the braces using wood glue and clamps. This method worked okay for us, but I'm sure there are better ways to clamp mitered pieces together. Let us know your method in the comments below.
While we let those dry, we cut down the long piano hinge to 4 smaller pieces.
Taking the assembly indoors, we positioned 2 hinges under the lip to attach the tabletop.
Then we pre-drilled and screwed the fasteners. Or Laura pre-drilled and screwed the fasteners.
It should work like this.
Now that the glue is dry, we use the spacers to position the brackets along the side pieces.
Again, we pre-drilled and screwed.
Now it looks like it's come together. We positioned the spacers between the braces and the table, marking their position.
Using wood glue, we placed them along our mark and weighed them down with a jar full of coffee beans. Then we let them dry.
We held the table up to the wall, made sure it was level, and used 3-inch screws to secure it, making sure to hit the studs.
This fold-away table standing at 37 inches was the perfect height for my elbows on a really awkward wall in our home. This has made for an awesome mini office that tucks away at the end of the day. Thanks for watching!